ANYCUT KNC91 CNC key cutting machine excels cutting keys for vehicles, motorcycles, and agricultural machines with its high-end hardware, extensive key database, and versatile functions. It features an auto-lifting 7-inch touchscreen. ANYCUT KNC91 has two multifunctional drawers, K1 and K2, that support most vehicle keys with various profiles and key widths. With two extra K3 drawers that can handle special keys with multiple sides, whether it's TV or crucifix keys without your cover. Different sizes, high-quality tungsten steel cutters, capable of cutting various keys accurately. ANYCUT has an integrated database with more than 100 brands, 1,500 models, and 80 key profiles. With millions of keyway data, ANYCUT KNC91 can help you find cuts easily in all kinds of circumstances. By inputting the key cuts, ANYCUT can directly process a new key. Even if you forget certain key cuts, just click Code Search to find missing key cuts based on cuts that are already known. ANYCUT also supports all key node search by finding key cuts according to the serial number of the node. It also provides options for you to make your own key profiles when choosing the customized key profile to meet your custom needs. Dual processor, 3 positioning motors plus 1 high-quality spindle motor for precise positioning up to 0.01 mm accuracy. Cutting motor with speed over 12,000 revolutions per minute, cutting accuracy up to 0.1 mm. Making the KNC91 the perfect machine for cutting different keys in different situations. With permanent free updates, you can keep getting access to the latest keys and vehicles. ANYCUT is equipped with a 55.5 Wh built-in battery that enables uninterrupted key cutting for 30 to 50 keys even without external power. ANYCUT KNC91, your ultimate solution for crafting new vehicle keys.